So my band has recently started practicing this thing of spontaneity in worship. And before, I always thought it wasn't as spiritual if I rehearsed it with my band, because it's like, oh, the Lord just comes in unexpected ways, and that's when it's the most spiritual, is when he comes in the room and he starts singing stuff off the wall, which can happen, and it's beautiful when that does, and I call it like the risk paid off. But don't underestimate the value and the importance of practicing that spontaneity with your band. And so the way that we do this practically is we'll do a song like King of My Heart, and over the chorus progression, for example, I say to my band, hey, this is during rehearsal. I'm like, let's keep riffing on that. Let's see if God's doing anything in that moment, because I feel like at this point in the song, God wants to say something. And so we'll practice just going through that chord progression. I give my band a heads up, and then I'll literally just step out and start singing random stuff. And sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's just to loosen up my band. Other times, God just shows up in our rehearsal. The thing that came out during our rehearsal is the thing that I end up singing during the actual set in worship. I guess I would encourage you to practice with your band, give them a heads up. This is where we hone our skills in the spontaneity. It just honors your band, and it honors the service that you're in charge and you're a part of. And so just do it, just try it, take risks, step out, and it's fun. So.